Alright, we're at Paslin. And this is the Paslin. We're on, what's the main road here? Hoover? Hoover, yeah. Now, the toilets are back to back. You pull this is where the sink in the men's room drops in. I believe that's the men's room, right? Yeah. The sinks drop in. He moved the drinking fountain outside, and we got a hose running through here so you can see what this pipe looks like. We might be killing it, but I'm going to keep pushing it. This is cold water too, right? I mean, because it's fogging this lens up. I don't know. Slow it down a little bit. I don't know why. Yeah, slow it down a little bit. I'm wondering why it's fogging the lens up. Yeah, but it like fogs the lens up. But nonetheless, the cast iron in this floor has seen better days. We may redo it when because there's a couple of turns here, and this is where everything's getting caught up at. Here's a good turn. You need to find that spot, and then it pops up out of water. It's underwater, pops up out of water. It's where everything catches. Push it, let's see something. So I can't push no more. Then we'll kill the water and come backwards. Plus this thing's off the camera for me. Oh, and that's the drop. That's the drop wherever it leaves the place at. We could find it, but alright. Yeah, we'll kill the water and then we'll pull back. Get it on video of it pulled back with no water running. Drop something. To drain down. Not yet on that. The water's drained down, so we're gonna pull backwards here. We're gonna see. I can't. It's a bummer, dude. The way this looks. I wish I see it better. When you first go in, the lens gets so dirty. It's coming from the other way. See right here, there's something going on right here. It's in like muck, mud, in that spot.
The water's still going down.
See, and there really shouldn't be any water there. It's a turn.
So it does go down, it's turning the other way.
And then this is really hellified scary. The dirt and the line. And then coming back closer to us, you can see it. I just wish you could see it better. What was that? What is that?
Oh.
See it. That's a
that
piece
looks
of
like
the
one.
pipe. You can see the black, how it's black, because the bottom of the pipe is missing. That's the form of the ground. It's coming. There's a worm right there on the left. Right here, and then it comes out. There's another one I just seen. There's a weird turn right there. see it.
Then we just seen that it looks like a pad right there.
These guys don't need to hear you bother them.
See, that's what I want. The center of it had shit on it. Alright, now we're going back in. And this is what the line looks like. The inside of the line, the cast iron's rotted out. You can see where it's black at. That's a chunk of it. There's a chunk of it laying there. That probably came back from the float pass. And then you can see that it's broken on the sides, on the bottom. Something ties in from that side. The sand and the dirt, it just piles up. And it catches everything. Anything you flush down the toilet, it catches that. It catches it. Slows it down, and then it makes a couple turns, and then there's water still in the line.
I'm convinced they're saying a lot of that technically should be dug up pretty much.
And it should be pitched, not where you push it. You notice how it's broke. See how it looks?
Yeah.
See that? We're pushing earth right now. The pipe, it's not slippery like PVC. That's another why. Right there, it's picking up something else coming from the right. You can see it.
There is a drain in his office that was backed up.
Floor drains and stuff. You guys were telling me about those. There's another one. Yep. Look at the bottom of this. And you see how it's all bumpy and stuff? It catches everything. And the pitch is messed up. The bottom of it rots out and washes the dirt away from underneath it and messes the pitch up. And it holds everything up.
Who was the last one on it? Matthew was the last one on it.
All the way to the drop. Grab onto the drop, you'd probably be good.
Is that going straight down to the sewer?
Yeah, yep. I'd like to find that, but it's just a pain in the ass to find it, but I would like to find it.